Was that a dream?
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a fun project myself and my buddy Mitch put together, featuring his car, the Subaru BRZ. But yeah, I learned a lot making this. This was a lot of fun. I definitely had to cheat a few shots. As you noticed, the car was on the wrong side of the road a couple times, and the driver was also on the wrong side of the car for North America. So yeah, definitely had to do some cheating there to make this work. But I think it worked out pretty good. And if you thought so as well, hit that like button on this video, help me out, and subscribe if you're not already. But otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching.
Remember how to drive this thing or what?
It's actually kind of hard. It's like